How to use WhatsApp in laptop. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can install WhatsApp or use WhatsApp in laptop, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Using WhatsApp on our computer is also fairly simple. You have to go ahead and open up your Microsoft Store and simply search for WhatsApp. Then you'll find the WhatsApp application. Now you also have WhatsApp Beta, but Beta will have more features, but it will bring along more bugs because this is used specially for testing. But you can actually use the normal WhatsApp version over here. Then you can simply go ahead and then click the install button. So you want to make sure to download the WhatsApp app from the official Microsoft Store. Then make sure to download it and install it. Now you can open it up, link your account, scan the QR code, log in with phone number, whatever else it is that you prefer. You can just go ahead and then log into your account. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then basically use WhatsApp on laptop. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.